So, ito nung venue. Parang last kami pumunta dito ng December with tita. Sino nung ano? Nung pretty tita na nakasama natin. Ayan. Good morning. Today is
September 13, 2022.
at 11:18 in the morning. So right now we are at
Circuit Mall.
and inside. What's the name of the place?
All-Star Original, Original American.
Good job. So magla-lunch kami dito. Tara, enjoy natin ang lunch namin today. See you.
See you later.
So ito nung venue. Parang last kami pumunta dito ng December with tita. Sino nung ano? Nung pretty tita na nakasama natin. Ayan. Hindi pala. Nung December kasama namin nung ama ni Jazz at saka nung lola niya. Pero prior to that, kami ni Jazz at saka yung isa kong friend.
What the imposter is that?
Namamblema ka mama sa presyo?
Hindi, yung presyo, tinitignan ko kung saan yun. Asan? Itong 6 pieces, ano dito?
Salted egg nga.
Ah, salted egg. Asan yung
Do you
itsura
love
nun?
me?
Ayun, eto.
Ah, may chicken.
Chicken nga yan!
Chicken!
Okay guys, so saan kami galing today? Hindi papasok si Jazz today. It's Tuesday. His class supposedly will start at 12:40. Ay, 12, ano yun? 12:30 to 5:40 ang school niya. Pero I opted na hindi na siya pumasok kasi today was his first day for occupational therapy evaluation. So, ayan. So, we went to Pio Del Pilar earlier today, 9 in the morning yung schedule niya.
$65.
Tapos, so we paid 2,500 for the evaluation. Tapos, that's 1 hour. In-interview din ako ng magiging teacher niya moving forward. So, ang advice kasi ng developmental pediatrician niya was to have OT twice a week and then once a week for speech therapy.
No?
As of the moment, for speech therapy, wala pang available na schedule. So, it will be delayed once a week yung speech therapy. Right now, ang fixed schedule ni Jazz for occupational therapy will be every Tuesdays from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Once a week muna siya as of the moment since yun lang ang available na schedule.
I did the left
Pero pag
hand.
nagkaroon ng available schedule, magiging twice a week siya, no? Okay, so
5 times a week.
twice a week. Anong sabi ng therapist regarding kay Jazz? So, he is really good with
With left hand.
he's good with other things like numbers, coordination, ganyan, magbihis. Ang issue niya ngayon would be what we need to focus on Hi, Kuya. Say hi,
Hello
Kuya, sa
po.
vlog. What we need to focus on would be his social something. Pumunta ko na. Kasi medyo ang dami akong iniisip. Yan, may life hack kasi siyang ginagawa. Okay? Okay, good job! Straw. Bendy straw. Is that bendy straw? No. Okay. That's his life hack. Ayun. So, the teacher would focus on his social something, pakikitungo niya sa tao, on how to make him eat fast by himself. Ayun. Writing kasi parang kinadkad ng manok ng sulat ng anak ko. Sulat niya. Kahit na anong turo sa kanya ng sulat, kinadkad talaga ng manok. Bakit kinadyan? Ayaw mo?
Ayaw.
Ayun.
Wala akong lipstick.
So, sana ma-enjoy nyo itong content namin today. Kakain na naman kami. Medyo matagal-tagal na pala akong hindi nagpa-product review, nagpa-process review, at saka travel vlog. Panay kain kami lately, at saka Shaz and Jaja vlogs.
Okay na.
Okay lang ba yun? Guys, please continue to support our channel. Manood lang kayo ng manood. Hindi pa kami sumusweldo. Pasweldo nyo naman kami. Utang na loob. Ayan. Para meron tayong panggastos. Para meron akong pambayad sa therapy ni Jazz. Mahal. Well, anyway, see you later.
See you later. See you tomorrow.
Later. Oh, anak, sige. May question ako sa'yo. So, you have 100 pesos. You have 100 pesos. And then, the foreplay is 143 pesos. You want to buy the clay. What do? You only have 100 pesos.
43 more.
Wow, what 43 more? What do you do?
We need to tell with 43 pesos.
Where do you get the 43 pesos?
I need to tell
Tell
somewhere. Anyone.
anyone.
And you want to ask for 43 pesos? Like who?
Where will
mommy.
you get the 43 pesos? Where are you eating your meals?
Oo, sige na.
Ayan na, medyo nangungulit na siya actually. Ayan o, ginangat-ngat na naman nung kuko, parang ama niya.
Stop
O,
it.
sige, see you guys later.
Guys,
Bye.
Uy. Fear.
Kaya bang sabitan dito sa ilalim?
Hi guys!
Okay, hi guys.
So we're back. Andito na yung food namin.
And
Surf and
cotton
turf.
candy.
Surf and turf.
And
Chicken wings. Salted egg.
is this chicken wing? Salt and salted egg.
Tapos ay nung back rib. Ayan. Ayaw kasi ni Mama sa video. Nahihiya siya. Hello.
Hello.
Nahihiya siya.
Hindi ako nahihiya.
Pangit po. Okay. So, anak, you eat your chicken na.
Because it's so hot.
Anak, why are you like that?
Mama Vance, why are you like that?
I've been ordering this ever since na pumunta ako dito.
Yung sa taas, ano
Fourth
kinakainin
time.
natin? Yung may barko-barko? Yun.
Fiery something.
Mayroon sa Manila, sa dito. Sabi ni ano, ni Odd,
Like
so
that?
mas maganda yung menu doon na wala dito.
Hey,
The ultimate favorite ko dito. Mami yun eh. Mami yan eh.
Picture rice. Ano ba ito? Basawang na.
bah,
Just why are you like that?
Mama Bears, why are you like that?
Eat.
Ba't? Ah,
You ate happiness.
That's
Very,
not
very
good.
bad.
That's very bad
That's
enough.
not fun. Say sauce, but you place sauce with sauce, and then we just it. Can I eat? What's this? Is this chicken wing?
Chicken wing salted egg.
Chicken wing and salted egg?
chicken wing. Chicken wing.
Have to get that. Oh, this chicken mac. Oh, this chili with my homie.
Kain na. You like it? Binenta ako ni Kuya.
Ah,
We'll go to the
Ano
dentist.
yan?
Steak.
Matigas? What's this?
Jessie. 1, 2, 3.
smile.
Kalat ang buhok ko.
Your hair looks mess.
Wala ka na talaga. Puro ka na lang. Sunod na sunod sa sinasabi ng mami mo.
My mom? My mom is saying at me,
Ano mo na picture na?
time to take picture.
Hi guys! So, umuwi na kami.
We're back home.
Kaya, sana you enjoyed our video. Keep on watching.
And do not skip the ad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.